Being an electrician is tough work. Long hours, tight deadlines, and demanding clients can make even the most experienced pro feel overwhelmed. But what if there was a tool that could make your job easier, faster, and safer? Fluke 117, the ultimate solution for electricians. With its cutting-edge technology, Fluke 117 helps you get the job done right. It ensures maximum accuracy and guarantees optimal performance. With its super build quality, you can work in even the most challenging environment without breaking a sweat. Whether you're installing a new wiring, repairing old systems, or troubleshooting complex issues, Fluke 117 has got you covered. Try Fluke 117 today. You won't be disappointed. You can get the best deal for Fluke 117 on Electronics Trading. We give you the purchase link of Fluke 117 in description. Simply log into website and confirm your purchase today.